Hi guys, welcome to this video where we're going to be solving quadratic equations by finding their square root. Again, this is part 2 of a series. If you haven't watched part 1, please watch part 1 first and then come to part 2. So in part 2, what if they give us a quadratic equation that has irrational solutions, right? Again, I covered irrational roots in my previous videos. Please watch those first, and then this will make more sense. But let's get into it, right? So they're giving me a quadratic equation right here, and they want me to find the solution. This is my quadratic equation, x squared minus 3 is equal to 0. So just isolate x. So x squared is equal to positive 3. So this is a negative 3. Crosses equal signs becomes a positive. So I want to undo this square, so I'll find the square root here. So I'll square root both sides, and then you'll get the value of x as plus or minus root 3. So why am I leaving it as a root? It's because the root of 3 will give you 1 point something, you know what I mean? Like you better leave it as a root. So this is what we call an irrational solution. So the solution of x will be the negative root of 3 and the positive root of 3. What if they give us something like this, right? Again, collect like terms, you'll get x squared is equal to 59 plus 16. 59 plus 16, what do you get? 75. You get 75. So at this point, x squared is equal to 75. So get the square root on both sides of the equation. Now, x squared, square root, you'll get x. But this 75 can be broken down into two numbers. Think about two numbers you can multiply to get 75, and one has to be a perfect square, preferably the largest perfect square. So I'm breaking down 75 into 25 times 3. So this is the same as getting the square root of 25 times the square root of 3. The square root of 25 is 5. So this will be plus or minus 5 root 3. Does that make sense? So I covered these irrational numbers working with SADs in a video. Please feel free to go and watch it. So the solution set of x is minus 5 root 3 and then positive 5 root 3. So that's the solution set. Or you can just leave it like this.